Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by unboxing and confirming you have the headset, detachable mic, and cable. First, plug the USB-C dongle into a full-speed USB port or use the 3.5mm cable for consoles. This gives reliable audio and mic detection. Once done, attach the mic firmly. There's a keyed connector, so noise cancellation works. Make sure Razer Synapse 3 is installed on your PC. This updates firmware and enables EQ profiles, which is why we do it before testing audio levels. Next, configure the audio chain so sound is accurate. In Synapse 3, choose the BlackShark V2 X profile, apply any firmware updates, and enable mic monitoring so you hear your own voice. Then go to Windows Sound Settings, set the sampling rate to 48 kHz and 16-bit to match gaming standards. Adjust EQ and sidetone modestly for clarity, and set mic gain low to start, then raise until your recordings peak around -6 dB. Test in a voice app like Discord to confirm levels and clarity. Finish by adjusting the headband and ear cups for a snug seal. The acoustic fit affects bass and positional cues. Run a short comfort break-in of 15 to 30 minutes and then test in game for spatial accuracy and chat clarity. If you encounter problems, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Replug the dongle, try a different USB port, and temporarily switch to the 3.5mm cable to isolate whether it's the dongle, drivers, or headset. If needed, reinstall Synapse and retry firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.